Hello, Panda, for all your delicious chocolatey panda needs.
Come on home, girl, he said with a smile. You don't have to love me and let's get high a while. But try to understand, try to understand. I'm a magic man.
Welcome to Wednesday, week 11, I guess it is. So, I only got cards or letters from two of you guys, and I'd like to thank Ivan for his, and Dan for his, and the rest of you guys suck. Patrick and Dan actually gave me the same challenge, so here I am not in my dorm room. I'm actually in my friend's room. Yes, so, that's kind of two birds with one stone. Alright, so Thursday's challenge was to not procrastinate on your homework, and so I did the homework due today on Monday with him, actually, for Cogsci. That was surprisingly easy. Felt pretty accomplished. We got done before 7, or around 7. It's pretty good. And, well, I'm still working on you guys's because you guys are kind of lame and you don't know how to write letters, I guess. Ivan is not dead. He did send me his challenge, and he did actually respond to a text message of mine earlier today. But the lack of videos for, I think, 3 weeks now is kind of disconcerting. And Kyle asked yesterday how much sleep we get on average. That's kind of a funny question. I really couldn't tell you how much sleep I get on average. How much sleep do you get on average?
Close to 0.
Close to 0. Yeah, close to 0, but I'm really trying to not get 0 sleep. And it sort of works, but my sleep cycle is such that I really couldn't get a lot of sleep all in one package anyway. And I was trying to think of a question or challenge to ask you guys, and, Oh, Yvonne's mailed challenge, by the way, was to find a local delicacy and eat it. And while I don't have a local Los Angeles delicacy, I know, but taco truck doesn't come around until the evening. And besides, I'm not a taco fan. Taco! I do have these, and while they're not actually American at all, they are much easier to find here. Would you like to read this?
Every drop of fresh apple juice, carefully pressed from the reddest apples, shining in colors of the cheeks of a snow country child, is yours to enjoy in each soft and juicy Kasugai apple gummy.
Thanks.
I like how you can't see my face.
That's good. No one needs to see your face. No. So, here's the proof that they're not poisoned, even though they very well could be. They're actually kind of cute. They're heart-shaped. Maybe peach-shaped. And they do taste just like condensed apple juice. It's a little overwhelming. When you open up the bag, it's like, wow, flash marinates your head. And while I was walking in between the academic buildings, I found one of these magnetic jewelry things. And it was actually kind of cool, so I kept it, even though I'm pretty sure I'll never wear it. So my challenge for you guys is to go find something out in your campus or around your city, and I guess keep it. Or if you've already found something, please show and tell. I do have another video linked to my personal site, or my personal page rather, that you guys should go and check out. So, do that. And, well, I'm not going to say it because otherwise I'll jinx him and he won't post. So, goodbye.